Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a quick mill Silvano. This machine was brought in because it wasn't pumping, there was no pressure, and the customer reported an electrical hum. And what we discovered is that electricity was making it to the pump, but the pump wasn't activating, ergo all of the symptoms. So we replaced the pump, and here it is functioning once again. Got a basket in here full of coffee, and we're going to pull shut. There we go, reading the appropriate pressure, good flow. Alright, we'll stop here at about 2 ounces. Let's do some steam. Had to flip the switch in the back. Alright, now we're cooking. Alright, there it is. Quick mill Silvano functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.